Hey guys, it's Mohammed here from Tekka Reviews, and in today's video I have the Amazon Echo Flex, Amazon's smart enabled plug-in speaker that comes with the Alexa personal assistant built in. As always guys, if you like today's video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Now without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So the Echo Flex is a smart speaker that plugs in directly to your power outlet. The device comes with the Alexa personal assistant built in, which allows you to control your smart enabled devices at home or listen to your favorite songs through Spotify or Apple Music. In comparison to the Echo Dot, the Echo Flex is a lot smaller and plugs in directly to the power outlet, so it doesn't need any cables like the Echo Dot does, making this the perfect device to add to your bathroom or hallway. In addition, the Echo Flex pretty much has the same features and functionalities as the Echo Dot. However, the small form factor of this device also has its limitations, and we'll be discussing this later on throughout the video. In regards to the look and feel, the Echo Flex is nearly 3 inches tall and weighs roughly around 150 grams, which is super light. You also have an LED light on front, as well as 2 microphones which are used to make the Alexa commands. Finally, you have one USB port at the bottom, as well as one 3.5mm stereo input. Inside the box, you get the Echo Flex smart speaker, as well as instructions on how to set up your device. The setup process is also super simple. Insert the Echo Flex into the power outlet. The lights will turn orange to indicate that the device is in setup mode. Next, download the Amazon Alexa app from the Google Play or Apple App Store. Once downloaded, you will then need to log in with your Amazon account. At the home screen, select the Devices tab and then click the plus icon on the top right. Select Add Device and then click Amazon Echo. Select Echo again and then follow the instructions on screen. Once done, your Echo Flex should now be connected and good to go from there. Now for some drawbacks. In comparison to the Echo Dot, the main difference between the two is the actual speaker itself. I noticed that when using the Echo Flex, the maximum volume achieved was a lot lower than the Echo Dot. The Echo Dot is an absolute beast when listening to music, so if you prefer to have your songs on full blast, then you're probably not going to get the best experience with this device. In addition, the Echo Flex also comes with 2 microphones as opposed to the Echo Dot, which comes with 4. This can sometimes make it difficult for Alexa to hear you, especially if you have a lot of noise in the background. However, putting aside the drawbacks, you still get a USB port available and a stereo input if you'd prefer to connect the Echo Flex to a stereo nearby. Overall, if your main reason for purchasing this device is to have Alexa available to make quick commands in your bathroom or hallway, then you should definitely look at purchasing this device. It's a lot cheaper than the Echo Dot and will help you access Alexa to control your smart home or get the latest news. However, if you do also want to blast your music throughout the house, then I'd probably recommend spending the extra cash and purchasing the Echo Dot instead. But nevertheless, the Echo Flex is definitely a great product to have and also comes at a great and affordable price. In regards to pricing, you can pick up the Echo Flex from Amazon for around £25, and you can also find the link to purchase in the description below. But that's all from me guys. Are you also a fan of smart home products? And is the Echo Flex a device you would purchase for your home? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm Mohammed from Tekka Reviews, and I'll see you all in the next video.